I built the kit. And it's awesome. It turned out like many others, but yet not like anyone else's. It sits lower than the RTR. It's way heavier than the RTR. I use a Hobby Wing Fusion Pro ESC motor combo for this. It has the Muse Racing wheels, which are awesome because they have scale hardware. And I did a bunch of paint, including the grill, which I matched to the actual body panels. I have a decal sheet that I butchered and took out all the blue because I like the gray look, so I left it just gray. Yeah, it was kind of magical. It was a magical process. This is a lot of fun. So after it's all been built and put together and checked over once and twice and 3 times, the only thing left to do is to go out on the rocks. So let's take this thing out on the rocks and let's give it a really good shakedown. Just enjoy. It's gonna be fun. Oh, it's quiet. forget the bug spray. Don't forget the bug spray. Tires are great. I don't know how, I've never really been into these crawler, you know, TAs, but they're really good. Even stock foam, they are good. Now I don't vent them just to get that cushion. A lot of people do. I don't. It's just for fun, right? It's super heavy. It does really well. It likes to stay planted, and I think that's thanks to the brass and also the width of the overall thing, since these are pretty wide. The offset is really low on these wheels, and there's a brass on all four corners. It's just fun. I'm all sweaty and stung or bit by mosquitoes, and I couldn't have asked for a better Father's Day weekend with good food with my kids, and yeah, it was a great weekend. Go get a Vanquish, go get anything. I have a bit of a project I'm going to be starting with this Vatera twin hammers, and we're going to make it a little longer, put a Ford F100 pre-runner body on it. We're going to paint it up. Yeah, MidCoast crawlers, go take a hike, or you know, yeah, go take a hike. Grab an RC with you, and you won't. It'll be fun. This Vanquish H10 kit is pretty simple to build. It looks great once it's done, and it gives you the options to throw in the wheels and tires that you want. So instead of paying more for a kit with something that you're going to replace, you just start off with the stuff you want. Servo, ESC and motor, wheels and tires. In my case, I have a sway bar in the back, and it's just fun. I hope you decide what to get soon and go take it out on the rocks. Take a hike from the MidCoast to wherever you are. I hope you had a good Father's Day. I hope 2024 summer is a mild one, and we'll see you soon. Something else.